Happy Wednesday! I'm about to drop some curly hair content. So, if you don't want to watch this, just click through. But I'm going to talk about one of my favorite curly hair products, or vendors of products. And maybe you know someone with curly hair, or your girlfriend, or wife, or husband, or whoever might benefit from this. So, I just got a package from NPTressTreats, and she makes handmade silk curly hair products. So scrunchies, scarves, bonnets, silk pillowcases, satin lined or silk lined shower caps. I ordered a bunch of stuff from E&C's, and I thought it would be fun to unbox it with you. Okay, so let's see what we got. First, as a graphic designer, I always appreciate shit like this. Like, just take my fucking money. Take it all. Super cute, personalized. There's me. Thank you note. This is a female person of color owned business, which I am always down to support. Support small business, support businesses owned by people of color. Her name is Alicia, and she's also on business card. It's all good. Sticker, yes. Ooh, and a discount coupon. Oh, more stuff. More hello, beautiful, and please recycle me. And what she's saying to recycle is there's like filler in the box and also the box. And I will recycle as soon as I sign up for recycling at my new house. Apparently that shit don't come standard. You gotta call Waste Management and like sign up and pay extra, which I will, just haven't gotten around to it yet. So I ordered some scrunchies. Ooh, first thing right out the gate, free gift, yeah. Look at the size of these things. These things are awesome, and they're so soft, and they come in such, look at this. I don't care how much hair you have. These things hold my hair. You guys have seen my afro. It's fucking huge. And these things stay put. So free gift. I really probably should have done a live, but I don't know how that works. I've never done a live before, so you guys are just gonna have to watch a fucking ton of videos. Okay, so here are some of the things I ordered. Look how cute, some twisted knot headbands, but look how thick this is. I'm not gonna put this on because of my glasses and stuff. I ordered that print. Look at this beautiful print here. Look at this, and it's so soft, so soft. This print, I went kind of ham on ordering. Because if you spend $75, you get free shipping. So I spent $75. And Cece and I just love these products, and I know I'm going to use them. Look at this print. How cool. Take all this stuff out. And then I got Cece this really cute scrunchie. Look at that. She's going to love it. I can't wait to put this on her. And then Alicia does this really cool thing where you get a mystery pack of scrunchies at a kind of like at a bulk price. So these are my mystery scrunchies. I'm not going to open this because it's going to take way too long. But look at all these cool scrunchies. I've got some really cool prints. Look at this one. It's got girls on it, like princesses. Look at that. And look at that. Look at this blue. I am loving that blue. And then this I will open because honestly, this was the one product that I actually needed. I didn't really need everything else, but I'm glad I got everything else. So one of my favorite products, because it's something that I struggled with when I decided to go natural, is the satin lined shower cap. I had a really hard time. Number one, finding a shower cap that fit. I'm just going to use scissors. And number two, finding a shower cap that didn't leave my hair a frizzy ass mess. And I found it. And it's at NPTressTreats. Look at this. It'll fit locks, it'll fit twists, it'll fit braids. It certainly fits my big ass fro and Cece's hair. So this is the satin part, and then when you shower, this is the vinyl part, right? So look at this. Look at that. Easy peasy. Look how much room I have. And I have my hair in a pineapple right now. So we love these products. I'm going to drop her link right here. Please check Alicia's products out. She hand makes these, guys. Like every stitch. That's her. She does this. She's been doing it for years. I've been on my natural journey since 2019, and I found her products really early on, and I'm so happy that I did. But yeah, they're all amazing. Check them out.